you can make more to do the job than you can to teach people how to do the job, and that gap grows, then you're in trouble. And that's where we often find ourselves with nursing and other programs. This is the Achilles heel of North Carolina community colleges. We are remarkable. We are as good as it gets in just about everything except for what we pay our people. What I worry about is what the differential is between being able to do the job, to teach people how to do the job. And when that differential is like this, then we're in trouble. And we're in trouble. And for nursing, it's particularly that way.
Our model does show a shortage of nursing faculty. This is something we're hearing nationally that is really important. Part of it is the aging of our nursing faculty. We're going to see very large retirements. We are also seeing, in fact, that community college system in general has faced chronic faculty shortages. The community college system cannot pay the same salaries as other institutions, but there's also been, even for our university system, it is more lucrative to work in clinical practice often than it is to be a faculty member.
There are two real bottlenecks with nursing programs, one of which is just having enough instructors to be able to teach more nurses. And the second is in terms of clinical sites. A lot of nursing education happens, and I'm looking over at Wake Med right now, at the hospital. And that also can be the challenge because of that real world part. There's only so many places, there's only so many slots. Nursing has always been, the discipline for community colleges where there's way more employer demand for the graduates we produce. Our graduates walk out of here with jobs. The only ones that don't have jobs is just because they're waiting a little bit before they go through that application process. There's way more demand for more nurses coming through us than we have slots for. And then when we look at the number of students trying to get into our nursing programs, there's way more students who want to get into a nursing program like ours than we're able to accept. So automatically there's a mismatch. There's a bottleneck. We talk around it, but at some point we probably do all have to collectively step up and say, what could we do? Because when you reach points like a pandemic or other times like now, you say, why do we have that? And it's just been a fundamental challenge that has been there, not just in the last couple of years, but over the last several decades.